this video is to show you how I use Yahoo Answers and Clickbank and YouTube to make money. Okay, it's really simple. A lot of people have problems with Yahoo Answers because the affiliate links and other links that they try to put in Yahoo Answers raise up red flags, and the answers end up getting removed and they don't get any traffic. So there's really an easy way to go about this, and you'll never really have a problem getting your answers or your links removed. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is come to Yahoo Answers. It's www.answers.yahoo.com. okay, and just check out the categories. You're going to browse, click browse categories, and all these categories are going to come up. Now I'm going to check out the health category, okay, and you actually can break it down further. So we'll look at general health care. Okay, now what you're going to do is go through some of these questions and try to find questions that a Clickbank product would be helpful with. Okay, I don't really see anything on the first page. You gotta look a little bit. Okay, you'll find something because there's just so many questions. Here's one right here. Here's a good one right here. How to get rid of back pain. Okay, now you're gonna answer that question, and you're gonna leave a link to a YouTube video that you're gonna create. Now, you've got your question here, how to get rid of back pain. Step 2, you're going to head on over to the Clickbank Marketplace, and you're going to type in back pain in the search query, and this is going to bring up all of the Clickbank products that have to do with back pain, okay? And you want to look for one that pays a pretty decent commission. I really don't bother with these ones that say NA, because I kind of want to know how much I'm going to be making. Back pain, sciatica, and bulging disc relief. Let's see what this sales page looks like. Okay, yeah, this is a great looking sales page. So this is going to be the product that we're going to promote. Okay. Once you've found your sales page, all you're going to do is make a review video of the product, provide some information. Now what I do a lot of times is I just kind of scroll down the page while I'm making my video, and this page actually has a lot of information, so I'll actually read some of the information. I might read some of the points here. I might read some testimonials that customers have left. Basically, I'll do a 3 to 5 minute video and a really nice review on the product, okay? And once I've got that done, I'm going to upload my video to YouTube, okay? And in the description area, which is, I'll show you one that I've already done. Did one here about model trains for a model train product. When you have this description area right here, you can put your affiliate links, and these are affiliate links that I've cloaked with bit.ly. It's a URL shortener that I like to use to cloak. You always want to cloak your affiliate links, okay? It's bit.ly, www.bit.ly. And you always want to cloak your links. And anyway, this is just a review of the model train product, okay? But you can do this with anything that, you know, there's a question for here, okay? And Yahoo Answers doesn't really flag answers that lead to videos, because videos are helpful and they don't appear to be commercial. Now, if you just throw a Clickbank affiliate link in your Yahoo Answers answer, then, you know, it's going to get flagged, and you might even have your account suspended, so you just don't want to do that. But linking to a nice review video, okay, the people are going to come over, click over here, and they're going to watch the video, and then hopefully they're going to click these affiliate links here to check the product out, and if they do, you're gonna make a commission. I've had a lot of luck with this, and like I said, there are so many different. I mean, unhealthy to stay up 2 nights. So this here, you could come on over here and you could find an insomnia product and you could promote that. This is just an endless supply of how addictive is hydrocodone. I even think that if you looked in Clickbank for drug addiction, you could probably actually find, yeah, I mean, there's even drug addiction products that you could make video reviews about, and set, upload them to YouTube and promote. So this is a really fantastic method. It works really, really well.